hello. 안녕. Whoops. 이 거리 완전 난리야. 사람들 사이는 남이야. 함께하는 매 순간이 like boom 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 boom. Hey girl, 영원 같던 찰나, 운명 같은 순간, 나를 한순간 뚫고 가. 넌 내 이름 불러주면 나에게로 다가와. All things like and the last thing, two things actually. Here are those these straps that are not reusable, I don't think. When you strap it in, it gets like stuck. Yeah. Okay. And the most important thing, the manual. So play, record, repeat, Neo HD camera, go anywhere video, everything. This was basically purchased for our trip to Fiji in November. Operation. Okay, I should probably get out the device. Ooh. That was unexpected. Okay. Good. So, here it is. There's a helmet mount because, like a GoPro, you could put it on your helmet. Car charger is what this is. But we won't have a car in Fiji, so pointless. Suction cup mount. Okay, cool. Well, something. You must have to push these to get it out. Yes. Okay. Okay. So now we have it not attached to a block. And it looks like this. I have pretty big hands, but it's about the size of my palm. Okay. Oh. I think I understand. Like this? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Back to the instruction booklet. Oh, it just turned on. Oh, okay. You can see. Can you? That it's filming me. So you hold down the on button, power button to obviously turn it on and off. Start, stop recording, take photo button is this one on the top, this silver one with like a camera. So to switch between video recording, photo shooting, playback and the menu, you press the power mode button, power/mode button, the one on the front, until you reach the desired mode. I'm not entirely sure. Okay. How to take off the case. I do want to get this case off so I can look at the contents better. I also have no idea how to get this thing off. Oh, hello. Okay. Hope, this looks like, this very much looks like it's a disabling device, but I could be completely wrong. In fact, I'm not surprised if I'm completely incorrect. Oh, screwdriver. In this house, you can practically find anything before a screwdriver. Okay. Oh. So I don't need the screwdriver anymore. And then this comes off. Great. Cut it. I mean, seriously. Oh, there we go. Did it. Ah, great. Hello. This thing here which has been called the shield case, is to be put on not the way I was just doing it. You need to make sure this stays in place, and I have no idea how to do that because it's really flimsy currently. Oh, that felt good. Or bad, because how do I take it off now? Idiot. Woo! This is your important tool. Maybe with this. We don't know yet. So this is going to screw on here. And now we're gonna screw. That's what she said. Can blame my friends for that one. Oh, Gabby. Whoa, that's tight. That's also what she said. Oh, hello. I know. Whoops. Okay. Whoops. Okay, cool. This is really cute. I don't want to keep it like this because I have some paranoia that I will do something wrong. So I don't want to do anything drastic. Oh! Hello, 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 hello. Oh! I'm going to put it all back in. Yes, that is what she said. Okay, great. Cool. Alright. Don't mind that. Oh, now that's sticky. That is... Well, you can see what happens when I repackage stuff. So we're gonna have to leave it this way. Okay, so that was that. I will see you the next time I inspect a gadget.